Hello everybody, my name is George Villarreal and I am a current student at Full Sail University pursuing my bachelor's degree on music business. And today what I'm going to be talking about is my story for my leadership and organizational behavior class. And the chapter that I chose to talk about today was Deliberate Practice is Required from chapter 9. And the reason why is because you probably heard the saying that practice makes perfect. And you've also heard the saying that there's no such thing as perfect in this world. Well, that's where it ties in. You should never stop practicing on what you're doing, what you do in life, because that's what's going to keep you updated with the rest of the people who are trying to become just as who you are. And my profession is I'm a DJ. I go by the name as Aiden Blake. That's my stage name. And what I mostly do is corporate events, private parties, and nightclubs all over Texas. And some of my corporate clients involve Victoria's Secret, Guess, Macy's, Sephora, Marciano. I mean, you name it. Big corporate companies that are at the mall, which have me to be their DJ, their entertainment option for their corporate events or parties. And I'm lucky to be doing this at the age of 19. I'm really fortunate to be traveling all over Texas to be fulfilling these needs for nightclubs and corporate events. And what got me here was strong dedication and motivation. That's what honestly got me here. And I did not do it on my own, but most of it came from myself. Because I had to realize, well, no one's gonna, present me into that opportunity. I have to go get it for myself. I have to prove myself that I'm worthy, that I know what I'm doing. And all of that took because of practice, motivation, and dedication. I graduated from high school at the age of 16 years old. I went to college at 17, at a different city, lived alone for a year, came back to my hometown at the age of 18. Ever since then, I started doing Full Sail University online, and now I'm about to graduate in a couple of months. So my education has been really on point, really different than the normal expectations from normal students. And that's because I had a strong dedication, strong motivation that I wanted to leave from high school. I wanted to already do what I wanted to do in college. And my interest as a DJ, actually, I had an interest in music since a very, very, very young age. But it wasn't until I was 13 I decided I want to become a DJ, but not the simple local DJs, but I want to become a DJ like the big names such as Tiesto, Calvin Harris, Zedd, people like those. And thanks to my dad, who actually decided to spend money on me with that profession, with professional gear. It wasn't the best gear, but it was, something to start off with. He actually saw that need in me. And thanks to him, I started just, practicing daily, here and there, not knowing what I was doing, but I would feel it like this, I'm doing this right. Once I mastered with that, with my piece of equipment, I upgraded to the next one, and to the next one, and to the next one, until a couple of months before I graduated high school, I discovered that there was an academy locally that would help emerging DJs sharpen their skills and qualities to become a bigger, better DJ. So I enrolled, and that's what I was doing every Saturday. Every Saturday, I was attending to their classes and everything, and it got to the point where I mastered all of the classes and courses at a young age, and it was just because I had the strong passion and the desire that I wanted to do this. And my parents were there financially. They supported with me without the whole classes, and it got to the point where they told me, my instructor told me, step away from the classes for 2 months. You already know what there is to learn. Now you just need practice. You need your experience built. That's what I ended up doing. I ended up practicing about 2 to 4 hours every single day. I went really technical, learned the fundamentals and the mechanics on why does this button do this? What happens if I don't know this? What does this button do? And I got really technical with it. After the 2 months were over, I went over back to the classes, and they were like really surprised because I did a huge step. I advanced a huge step, and after there, that's where I started, working at nightclubs and stuff like that. Now, the struggles that I had then, I still have now, and that is my age, my appearance. When I started, I mastered being a DJ at the age 17 going on 18. And it was really difficult for me getting nightclub gigs, corporate gigs, private parties, because they were like, an 18-year-old, 17-year-old is gonna DJ for our club. It doesn't seem realistic. No, we're not gonna risk it. And I got turned down by a lot of people, but that did not stop me. That actually motivated me to find that person who actually going to give me that chance. Until I did, little by little, I started finding those people, and the word started spreading. Wow, this 18-year-old like really knows what he's doing. Give him a try, chance, whatever. And it did. That's how it ended up happening. And little by little, then it ended up being a corporate company, and then the competition heard about it, and malls everywhere. Then all over Texas, because I moved to Houston, a different city. Moved back, expanded here, so I was just spreading like a virus, literally. And even today, it's my struggle, because at the age of 19, some don't really have that confidence in me. But what I do now, I just redirect them to my website, and once they hear whatever I have to provide, that already changes their mind. And I believe that success is different for everybody. And it's different for everybody because of the level of dedication and motivation. My parents and my mentor have been there for me since the age of 13. And they've been there through thick and thin for every competition that I tried. My gear, financial support, the gigs, everything. It's been because of them and myself. We're just a small team, and that's helping me advance and progress. And I like to share my story with a lot of teenagers, because I like to show them that it's possible to do whatever you want to do at a young age, no matter what age. And even with adults, some people that are 22, 23 and still haven't started life, I like to talk to them and tell them, hey, it's never too late. And a lot of people do say, no, but it's already too late. And my response is, well, start doing now before it gets even more late. And what I like to do eventually, I like to show big companies, corporates, big workplaces, that age doesn't really matter. I believe that if you know what you're doing and you have a good, strong, positive, and negative experience behind you, you should be giving at least the opportunity for you to apply for that job or do that job. And this is only going to change once there's a lot of young innovators out there. And at the end of the day, you choose what you want to do. But you cannot complain if that you never reach your goals if you don't have high expectations and dedication, motivation, and in your actions. And that's how I'm wrapping up this. Is a lot of people say and complain that they still don't, nothing seems realistic yet. But it's all because they haven't even started changing within themselves. Well, that's it for me. My name is George Villarreal. Thank you for your time.